the 4 seasons of Lake Champlain. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. We love the lake no matter what the season.
Spring. Crack, the ice is breaking. That's a sure sign of spring. Pitter patter, the rain is falling. That's a sure sign of spring. Chirp, 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 here come the birds. That's a sure sign of spring. Swish, swish, the ice is gone. That's a sure sign of spring. Because the lake is free and ready for you and me. Let's celebrate by jumping in the lake.
Summer.
It's a beautiful day here at the lake, a day where you can't stand the heat. I walk onto the sand. It burns my feet. This tells me that I need to get into the cool water. So I run as fast as I can, and I jump and splash.
I pop out of the water, and all around me I can see sailboats, motorboats, windsurfers, tubers, and water skiers. I start swimming, hearing the waves crash behind me, and I say to myself,
Boy, was it a beautiful day at the lake.
Fall.
As I was walking on the bike path, I kept hearing the crunch of leaves against my feet and feeling the wind from the lake crisp and cool on my face.
Just then a leaf floated downwards and landed in the lake. I could see that the water had made it a shiny and orangey red. That's Lake Champlain in the fall.
Winter. People walking on the ice.
I see people skating.
Fishermen try to brave the cold.
In the distance, I see people skiing.
The water laps under my feet.
Hitting the walls of its icy prison.
The trees are bare of leaves,
Looking like skeletons.
filling me with a sense of foreboding.
Snowflakes fall.
Soft and slow,
You'll see kids playing.
while the flakes fall.
Chances are you'll catch one on your tongue.
Why stay inside when you have the lake?
We love Lake Champlain no matter what the season. Made by the Malakians who love Lake Champlain.